Hello, my name is Dylan Erickson, and welcome to the Titan Transfer Podcast. Today I'll be going over some information to be aware of in regards to transferring into the University of Wisconsin-Oshkosh. Let me start off by saying welcome to UW Oshkosh. I'm glad you chose us to continue your educational pursuits. Located in the Student Success Center on campus is the UARC, or Undergraduate Advising Resource Center. You may wonder what academic advising is. It involves assistance in choosing a major, signing up for classes, reading your STAR, which is your student academic report, and much more. Our advisors are divided up by the different colleges offered at UW Oshkosh. These would include the College of Nursing, the College of Education and Human Services, the College of Business, and the College of Letters and Science. The UARC houses peer advising liaisons, or PALs for short. PALs are current UWO students who can assist other students in reaching their goals. They can help out by helping you read your STAR, making an appointment with your advisor, determining holds that might restrict you from signing up for your classes, help you in registering for classes, adding, dropping, or repeating classes, and helping identify general education requirements or requirements in our University Studies program. Some student resources you should be aware of include the Center for Academic Resources, or CAR. This office offers student tutors for almost every subject. If you may be struggling in a course or need some extra help in a class you are taking or repeating, get connected with CAR within the first week and they will work with you to find a suitable tutor. Also, this service is free. You have nothing to lose by utilizing the service. CAR is located in the Student Success Center on the first floor in Suite 102. Suite 102 also holds the Writing Center. The Writing Center is a service that can assist you with any writing assignments you may have. They will help at any step of the writing process, from developing ideas or an outline, all the way to providing finishing touches on your paper. This is also a free service for you to take advantage of. Career Services houses career advisors who can help you go over your resume and other professional documents, help you find an internship or job, and provide many different programs that will improve your professionalism and success in the working world. This is housed in the first floor of the Student Success Center. Finally, our Counseling Center offers many different resources for students to utilize. They offer individual and group therapy, stress management programs, help with test anxiety, and much, much more. They are located on the second floor of the Student Success Center, right across the hall from the UARC. Going back to the UARC, you might wonder what goes on during an advising appointment. First, you'll be going over your degree plan or major plan, the requirements, and what may be expected from choosing this plan. Next, you will go over your transfer credits and make sure that everything transferred correctly. Finally, you'll be going over your course options for the next semester and when you will be able to register. Interim is a 3-week course that's offered during the end of each semester, normally Monday through Friday for 3 hours per day. This is a popular option for lots of students because it would be included with your semester classes and would not cost anything extra. When looking for your registration date, just log into Titan Web and you can find your registration date on the right-hand side of the homepage or Student Center. You can also find your registration date on your STAR report. What is advising? Advising is a dynamic relationship between a student and advisor. At the center is shared responsibility for a coherent educational plan that incorporates personal, social, academic, and career considerations. Advising focuses on helping students identify life goals, acquire skills and attitudes that promote intellectual growth, and become academically successful. Advising supports the principles and goals of a liberal education as the foundation of a bachelor's degree. We do this by teaching you how your educational experience equips you with broad knowledge, transferable skills, and a strong sense of values, ethics, and civic engagement. Later in your program, you will have a faculty advisor, someone who teaches within your major and able to give you guidance throughout your professional experience. You may ask, what is the difference between your academic advisor and your faculty advisor? Think of your advisor as a generalist. They have knowledge of your general education requirements, policies, procedures at the university, and able to advise what kind of courses you should be taking at the beginning of your program. Your faculty advisor is someone who can provide connections within your major and focus on your career goals as you're exiting the university. Now coming back to your advising appointment, follow these steps to prepare for your meeting. Look at the materials in your folder you've received when you checked in. Complete the intake form, that would be pink. Review your STAR report on the computer. Review your credit evaluation, more info to follow. Identify possible course options, and prepare questions for your advisor. For the transfer credit report, this would be located on Titan Web. What you want to do is log into Titan Web, and then on that homepage, the Student Center, go to the drop-down menu and select Transfer Credit Report. You will see a screen much like this that will tell you how your credits transferred to this university. Your registration date can be found in two places. It will always be listed on your STAR at the top near your personal information, as well as the homepage of Titan Web on the right-hand side. Students who have not yet completed the UW System English and/or Math course placement testing is required. You can find more information by going to www.uwosh.edu/testing. Some other policies to be familiar with: add and drop dates. These are the last dates that you can either add or drop a class. You will find this calendar on the Registrar's Office section of the UW Oshkosh website. Similar information to dropping classes is the potential to receive a refund and the timeline that you may receive that refund. This can be found through the Student Accounts Office section of the website. What is academic amnesty? Academic amnesty is if you have earned credits that are older than 5 years and you have not earned a bachelor's degree, you may be eligible for it. You can remove consecutive semesters of lower grades from your student record to improve your overall GPA. To do this, you must apply for amnesty during your first semester at UW Oshkosh. For more information on different programs, majors, and minors, check out the e-bulletin for a listing of policies and classes. To do this, go to www.uwosh.edu/advising, click on How to Choose a Major, e-bulletin, Current Bulletin, and then you can choose between the policies as well as departments and majors to check out. To repeat a course, students must have gotten a lower than a C and may only be able to repeat a course once. You may have the ability to appeal these policies under certain circumstances. Our full repeat policy can be found on the Registrar's Office site. Something else to be aware of is the difference between official and combined GPA. This is very important to remember in regards to academic policies such as probation and suspension. The university uses your official GPA to determine probation and suspension status. Your official GPA calculates all the classes that you have taken here at UW Oshkosh only. This is different than your combined GPA, which includes not only your credits here at UW Oshkosh, but any credit that may transfer over from other universities or institutions. As you see from the example below, if a student has a combined GPA of 3.0 and they transferred in, and their first semester here they achieve a 0.9, they still will be suspended even though their combined GPA is still a 3.0. If you have any problems remembering your username or changing your password or any other technical difficulty, please contact UW Oshkosh Help Desk at 920-424-3020. You may call this number if you experience any trouble with your Titan Mail account as well as Titan Web. Transfer tours are available on Tuesdays and Fridays for students to learn more about resources and offices at UW Oshkosh. I hope that this podcast will help you on your transfer to UW Oshkosh and help you identify some resources that can assist you further. As always, you can always set up an appointment with your advisor by contacting the UARC front desk at 920-424-1268. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Titan transfer.